Alright, hello again everybody. This is our second paper airplane making video. This one's called the Bulldog Dart. So we're going to start it off like we did last time. We're going to have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to fold it right in half. The long ways we're going to fold it in half, just like this. Nice and even. Line that up real well. And smooth it down. Alright, so it looks just like that to start. So you're going to go ahead and open it up. And we're going to fold those two top corners right into the middle, just like that. So we're going to line that up nice and straight right to that center line. And line them up right there, and fold it down to the middle. Looks good. And do the same thing on the other side. Smooth all that down. Alright, now we're going to take this whole thing and we're actually going to flip it over. So we're going to flip the plane over like this. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold down this to the center line as well. So we're going to make another fold down to the middle. We're going to do it from the other side of the paper. So nice and smooth and straight. Start right there at the top. And line it up that center line. Okay, so it looks like that. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so when you have it all folded, it's going to look just like this. So it all lines up and meets up in the middle. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the top down, so it meets up right in the middle of this over here like that. So we're going to fold this right down to that, nice and straight. And meet up right in the middle there. Fold that down smooth, makes a nice straight line on the top. Okay, it looks just like that. Alright, and we're going to fold the whole plane in half. So fold it in half this way, right towards the center. Just line it up so it's nice and even. Smooth that down. Okay, so it looks like that, or like this. And the next part is we're going to make a straight line. So right here from where the top of the nose is, okay, it kind of bends down. We're going to do it. It's just a straight line right across. So imagine if you had like a ruler right there like that. And you're going to fold it so it's straight. Trace down like this. You're going to fold the wing down just like that. It's nice and straight right across the top of that nose there. Okay? So it looks like that. Then you're going to go ahead and flip it over. Just do the same thing on the other side, so it's nice and straight. Line it up at the top of the other one. Alright, so this is the completed airplane. Looks like that. You're just going to open it up, and there's the wings and everything just like that. The plane looks just like that. So as we did with the last one, we'll put the whole step-by-step instructions in the comments. You can look at them there too if you'd like to see it that way. It's easier to see the pictures. And that's what's called the Bulldog Dart. Thanks for watching.